volunteer? Yes, you, sir. Let's give him a hand, ladies and gentlemen. And your name is?
Eugene Carmichael III.
All right, Eugene Carmichael III. What do you do for a living?
Commodities broker.
Commodities broker. Let me ask you, have you ever been hypnotized?
No, I haven't, and frankly, I'm quite skeptical.
A 1, 2, 3, trance. Now, at my command, you will cluck like a chicken. 1, 2, 3.
You're never gonna be.
Beg your pardon? Ladies and gentlemen, the skeptic. And I assure you, he will remain this way as long as I... As long as I... Oh, my heart.
He's not breathing. Call an ambulance, quick.
Oh my God. Come on, get up.
Oh, you, he's dead.
Bastard, move!
Welcome to Nothing But Burgers. May I help you?
All right. Now, just concentrate. Put the money on the counter, look her in the eye, and concentrate.
Excuse me?
Oh, for the love of God, please hear me. I'm starving. I want a burger.
Look, take this. I'll call the police. You can't come here clucking and grabbing on
Wait,
me.
Miss Saunders, all right, all right. This guy's trying to tell us something. I think I've seen this on Geraldo.
All right.
Can you write it down?
That's a great idea. I should have thought of this. I'd like a hamburger and a cola, please. I am starving.
I'm sorry, I can't read that chicken scratch.
Oh, please. Please.
The nightclub acted when arrived was a departure point for a long descent to a place stranger than nightmares, a place crueler than hell. He's entered a place called the Vortex of Fear.